Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get free PingCAP TiDB course and certificate. So here is the clean end-to-end way to register to TiDB course and certificate and what happens after you pass. So first question is in our mind, then what is PingCAP TiDB? So PingCAP TiDB is open source distributed SQL database that is the MySQL compatible and cloud native and support both transactions OLTP and analytics OLAP in one system. So quick comparison, we'll go through that. So MySQL simple, reliable, good for the small and medium apps, and Postgres advanced feature very powerful but scaling is harder. And TiDB MySQL compatible, scale out easily, built in high availability and support HTAP, OLTP and OLAP. So in short, we can say that TiDB is equal to MySQL plus scalability plus analytics. So PingCAP TiDB practitioner registration link is there. So you can go through this link. Let me open this link. So this is the home page where we can register and we can get the certificate. So go to the register now and click on sign up. Give your name, give your email address, username, and password. India. I'm not a robot. Just click here, reCAPTCHA, and create account. Activation link. Let me open my Gmail account. So we got that. So your account was successfully created. You will now receive an email requesting your confirmation. So please click on that. So open that. So this is the mail, we got it from there, and this link valid for 48 hours. So confirm your account and accept. Okay. So get to into the course. Okay. Then one by one complete these things. So there is a certified TIDB exam will be there. So start exam. So you can give the answer of all the question after submitting this one. You will get a certificate. It will looks like this. So there is a you can able to see TIDB training and certification. Okay. So this is certified that my name is there is recognized by PingCAP as a TIDB practitioner and date issued you will get and there is a certificate number you will get it there. So there is a practice certificate. So this is the initial certificate. So TIDB training and certification you will get. So practice certificates for TIDB. And as I told you, what is the TIDB? TIDB is the open source distributed SQL database that is a MySQL compatible, cloud native, and support both transaction OLTP and OLAP analytics processing. Okay. So MySQL the comparison is there. So finally we can say that TIDB is MySQL plus scalability plus analytics. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section, follow the process on in the video and just go through that and be certified by TIDB. So please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.